Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download and install the Brave browser on your Mac. Brave is a great alternative to Chrome or Safari, offering built-in ad blocking, enhanced privacy features, and even the ability to earn crypto just for browsing. In this easy guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to get Brave up and running on your Mac. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Roam Tips for more useful tech tutorials and tips. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Open your current browser. First things first, you'll need to open the browser you're currently using, like Safari or Chrome. Step 2. Go to the Brave website. Next, in the address bar, type in brave.com. That's brave.com. Hit enter to go to the Brave browser website. Step 3. Download Brave. You should see a big prominent Download Brave button. Click on it. The website will automatically detect that you are using a Mac and provide you with the correct download. Step 4. Locate the downloaded file. Once the download is complete, you'll need to find the downloaded file. This is usually located in your Downloads folder. You can access this folder from your dock, or by going to Finder and selecting Downloads from the sidebar. Step 5. Open the .dmg file. You should see a file with a .dmg extension. Double-click on this file to open it. Step 6. Drag and drop the Brave icon. A window will pop up containing the Brave browser icon and a shortcut to your Applications folder. Simply drag the Brave browser icon and drop it onto the Applications folder icon. This copies the Brave application to your Applications folder. Step 7. Open Brave from Applications. Now, open your Applications folder. Again, you can do this from Finder in the sidebar. Find the Brave browser icon and double-click it to launch Brave. Step 8. Security warning. First launch. The first time you open Brave, macOS will likely show a security warning asking if you're sure you want to open it, since it's downloaded from the internet. Click Open. Step 9. Configure Brave. Optional. Brave will now open. It will likely ask you if you want to import bookmarks and settings from your previous browser. You can choose to do so or skip this step if you want to start fresh. Step 10. Start browsing. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Brave browser on your Mac. You can now start browsing the web with enhanced privacy and ad blocking. And that's it. It's really that simple to download and install Brave browser on your Mac. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more Roam tips. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Happy browsing!